Does your cat respond when you call their name? Here are 5 signs they actually recognize it. Number 1. Ear perk or twitch. If your cat's ears move when you say their name, it's a clear sign they know it's them you're talking to. Number 2. Head turn and look. When your cat looks directly at you after hearing their name, they definitely know who they are. Number 3. Tail flick or swish. Even if they don't rush over, a tail flick shows they acknowledge their name and are just choosing not to come. Number 4. Meowing back. Some cats will meow in response to their name, a sign they know it, and maybe even like you. Number 5. Food connection. If you always call their name before feeding, they'll start sprinting when they hear it. Just don't let them down.